Hello and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make a custom LEGO minifigure of Venom or the symbiotic Spider-Man. Enjoy watching everyone! To start off, we will need a sort of donor figure for our custom, preferably fully black without any prints on it. But if you don't have one like this, you can repaint it by following the next instruction. First of all, we would need to sand down any unneeded print by using a sanding paper. This will also improve the adhesion of the paint on the surface of our figure. For this I would recommend you to use medium grade of sanding paper, in order to avoid any deep scratches on the surface. In result we should get something like this. Now it doesn't have any unneeded prints, and is ready to be painted. But just before that we would need to clean the surface of our minifigure. One of the easiest way to do it is to clean it with the soapy water. Afterward just rinse it off with plain water. The main thing is not to lose any small parts during this process. Then leave it to fully dry. Now let's start painting. I would recommend to use acrylic paints for this. It is best to apply it in few thin and even layers, in order to get high quality coverage. As a result, we should get a perfect base for our character. The figure retains its full mobility, which would allow you to give it some kind of an epic pose, or even with a great desire you can play with it. But for that it will probably be better to cover it with some sort of varnish, in order to protect the paint from friction. Now let's transform our base into our character. For this you would need to download and print my template, the link for which I will leave in the description under this video. Also we will need some tools and materials, such as scissors, clear tape and double-sided tape. Now we would need to cover our paper print in a piece of clear tape. In this way we will sort of laminate the surface and make it more resistant against different physical factors. Make sure to smooth it all out and avoid any folds. Next we would need to apply some double-sided tape at the back of our print. I will strongly recommend to apply it in 2 parts, as will be shown on the video. In result it will allow us to easily remove the protection film without damaging or faulting our sticker. Now very neatly we would need to cut out all of our stickers. Ultimately, we should get such stickers for our minifigure. Just before getting to stick it all up, I will recommend to paint up a little bit the edges of our stickers. This could be done by using a black marker pen. This will make them look a little better. Now we can get to stick all of our prints on our figure. The way of applying double-sided tape that I have shown earlier. Now allow us to easily remove the protection film. Then, very carefully, we can apply all of our prints. Ultimately, this is the result that I've got. On a base of demonstration, I have sticked both facial expressions, but you can select the one that you like the most. Alright, here I will end. If you like this video, please do give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below whether you like this figure, and write down your ideas about the next LEGO customs. Here I will end. Thank you all very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.